In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a fill-in-the-blank line in Google Docs. If you've ever wanted to create a formal document, quiz, or worksheet that includes fill-in-the-blank sections, you're in the right place. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's begin by opening your Google Docs document on your computer. With your document open, focus your attention on the top menu bar. Here, you're going to click on Insert. From the drop-down menu that appears, you should select Table. For our example, we're aiming to create a 2x1 table. This means we'll have 2 columns wide and 1 row deep. To achieve this, hover your mouse over the table grid, highlight a 2x1 area, and click to insert it right into your document. Now with your table in place, it's time to customize it. You'll notice there are 2 cells. The left cell can be used for a text prompt, like name, while the right cell will be where we create our fill-in-the-blank line. To make this line, click and drag the border of the right cell to extend it, creating ample space for entering text. You might want to adjust the size of the left cell too, making it smaller if necessary, so there's plenty of room on the right for the line. Next, click inside the right cell to select it. From here, head back up to the top menu and click on Format. In the drop-down menu, under Format, choose Table. Then proceed to Table Options, which you'll find at the bottom of the menu. Clicking on Table Options will open a sidebar on the right side of your document. In this sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Color. What you want to do here is adjust the table border settings. Set the border width to 0 point, effectively making the lines of the table disappear and leaving you with just a clean line. To create your fill-in-the-blank effect, return to the table. Click on the drop-down for borders, and this time you'll select the bottom border option. Adjust the border width to your preferred size to ensure your fill-in-the-blank lines look neat and professional. And there you have it. You've successfully created a fill-in-the-blank line in Google Docs using a simple table technique. It's a great way to customize your documents and keep those fill-in-the-blank sections looking tidy and organized. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and be sure to leave a comment with your thoughts. Subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.